Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Android privacy controls on Google Pixel, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Google Pixel device and unlock it. Locate and tap on the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Scroll down until you find Privacy and select it. In the Privacy menu, tap on Privacy Dashboard. Here, you'll see a summary of how apps have accessed your data recently. To adjust permissions, go back to the main Privacy menu. Now, select Permission Manager. You'll see a list of different types of permissions such as location, camera, and microphone. Choose the permission category you want to review. For example, tap on Location. A list of apps that have accessed your location will appear. You can select an app to view its permission settings. Adjust the permission to allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. Repeat this process for other permission categories as needed. To further enhance your privacy, go back to the Settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Google. Now, select Manage your Google account. In this section, navigate to the Data and Personalization tab. Scroll down and find Activity Controls. Here, you can manage your web and app activity, location history, and toggle off the options you want to disable. If you're looking for additional privacy settings, go back to the main Settings menu. Select Security. Here, you can enable features like Google Play Protect for app security. You can also set up Find My Device for added security in case your phone is lost. Return to the main Settings page and tap on Notifications. Make sure that notifications from sensitive apps are set appropriately to keep your information private. Lastly, consider enabling Screen Lock to add an extra layer of security on your device. Explore the available security options to find the one that suits you best. With these settings properly configured, your Android privacy controls will be more robust. Take a moment to review each setting periodically to ensure your privacy preferences remain up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.